So when it comes to drop shipping or just e-commerce in general, you hear the company CJ drop shipping all the time. So the question is, are they really legit this year? Let's have a conversation about that because is a lot of the things they say just company propaganda or that's for real? So let me give you first of all the presentation that you need to really pay attention to. So when you think about CJ dropshipping, I want you to think about a dropshipping platform. Okay, so basically, it has it's not only a dropshipping platform, but it's also a go-to sourcing and fulfillment solution for entrepreneurs globally. So it doesn't matter if you're in the States or you are in Asia or Latin America or Africa or Europe. You can really use CJ dropshipping. It has a wide range of products, competitive pricing, and warehouse locations in multiple regions. Okay, but the big question is it really good or even better as better than AliExpress? That's an important element to think about. So I really want to really dig deeper. So when you close your eyes and think about CJ dropshipping, I just want you to think about that. This is just a sourcing and fulfillment platform that really connects dropshippers with suppliers. Okay, and the dropshippers are there are actually coming from multiple locations globally, but the suppliers are mainly from China. So they're from China. I mean, sometimes they have some U.S. and European suppliers, but most of the dropshippers, I mean, most of the dropshipping partners on CJ dropshipping are actually Chinese. Okay, I mean, at least they're based in China. Let me just say that way. Now, one thing I want to say here is that you can think about CJ dropshipping as a good alternative to AliExpress. In some cases, it really depends on the specific field you want to really focus on. Okay, the company was actually created in 2014. Okay, so for the last more than 10 years, they've been doing a lot of stuff. Okay, they have some things that are going for them, some things that are not going for them. Okay, for example, they offer a faster shipping. They have a better prices, and they do have a range of fulfillment services. But some of the customer service really sucks. Okay, it really sucks big time. I mean, the customer service that they have, you have to be really lucky to have a good customer service. So something to really think about. So let me talk to you about how CJ dropshipping works this year. So basically, what happens here is that with CJ dropshipping, you have a very simple dropshipping process through their platform. Okay, so what happens here is that they have product sourcing, they have product listing, they have order processing, they have faster shipping, and they have branding and customization. I will speak about customization later on because this is actually a selling point for them. I mean, they've been really touting this feature big time in the last few years. So product sourcing. So you can search for products in the CJ marketplace. And on that marketplace, you have thousands of items across different categories. Okay, I'm speaking fashion, electronics, home goods, pet products, pet supply. I mean, you name it, they have it. Okay, and so what happens here is that if you're looking for a product and you don't find it, in other words, CJ doesn't have it, you can reach out to the company and they will actually will source it for you. So they have this sort of direct supplier service where they will help you out. You also have a product listing. So once you source the product, you can add the product to your store with automated product listing tools, and this saves a lot of time and reduces manual errors. Okay, so you don't have to do things manually. They CJ Dropshipping has an algorithm to actually automate things for you, and so the platform provides detailed product descriptions. You have images, you have pricing recommendations. In some cases, so that you as a seller you can import and optimize your listings seamlessly for your Shopify, WooCommerce, eBay, Etsy store. Okay, and you can do so in a very in a few clicks. You also have order processing. This is something they do too. So basically, CJ Dropshipping will automate also order fulfillment. Okay, they'll take care of everything from let's say product sourcing and quality checks to packaging and direct shipping to customers. By the way, like I said, CJ Dropshipping is a platform. They just connect suppliers, dropshipping suppliers to dropshippers like you and me. Okay, and orders are synced automatically with connected stores, reducing the need for manual input and tracking, and ensuring that you have a smoother and faster fulfillment process. So that's really good. You have you have faster shipping. So CJ Dropshipping actually does a great job because it offers global warehouses in locations such as the US, UK, Germany, and Australia. So that's kind of cool. So if you really were to compare and contrast CJ Dropshipping to AliExpress, for example, you can see that AliExpress actually primarily AliExpress shippers primarily ship from China, and their suppliers ship from China. So it's a longer process. Okay, as a customer, as a CJ Dropshipping customer, you will actually receive. You can expect your customers to receive orders within 2 to 5 days, 2 to 7 days. Okay, because they're shipped from local warehouses in most cases. And also, CJ Dropshipping will help you with customization, branding, and customization. So you can really you can tell them to really customize the package for you. They'll do it for you, not a problem. Now, let me tell you that's really good to know when it comes to CJ dropshipping. The thing is, a lot of people have talked about the fact that CJ dropshipping was safe, but it was not always reliable. I'm here to say they are both. They are safe and they are reliable. Okay, and like I said a little earlier, it's the customer service that really sucks a little bit. They have to work on that. Okay, but one thing for sure, CJ Dropshipping is a legitimate platform. Okay, you have thousands of dropshippers globally that are using CJ Dropshipping. It is a reliable platform, so it is not a scam. Okay, they've been operating successfully for more than a decade. So this is important, and the reason I want you to really trust CJ Dropshipping is that they have verified suppliers. So basically, CJ will work directly with manufacturers and suppliers. So you don't have to worry about having a fraudulent transaction because there is a middleman trying to really play games with you. No, CJ is actually making sure the suppliers in their database are vetted. They're actually legit. Actually, CJ also has quality control. So the platform offers product quality inspections before shipping, so that you know what your customers can receive actually can expect to receive what they ordered in the first place. You have faster shipping, so that's an important element, and you have integrated automation. So that's what I love a lot. I love the fact that they have seamless integration with e-commerce platforms, so that you are able to simplify your store management and fulfillment. So that's an important element to think about, especially if you are going to go with CJ dropshipping over the long run. I mean, that's something you need to pay attention to, not only in the short run but also in the long run. Especially if you are selling multiple products, that's an important element to think about. So the big question is CJ dropshipping legit? Yes, definitely. But one thing I want to say here is that whether you go with CJ dropshipping or another, you have to really understand that when it comes to dropshipping, you got to have a reliable supplier. I don't care. You got to have a reliable supplier because you want to really you want to constantly have good products, but also a good partner. Okay, I mean CJ dropshipping is not the only one. You have Spockets. You have other platforms actually. Okay, so if you were to go for another, just make sure you want to understand that you have to have a faster shipping from faster shipping from US and EU suppliers if your customers are primarily in the States or Europe. Okay, because that's going to cut down on the time it takes for the shipment of your products. And this is going to be cheap for your customers, but also cheap for you in case you decided to eat some of the shipping costs. Okay, so look for a supplier that's really having what CJ has, or Sprockets or another supplier. That's going to help you big time. Also, I want you to think about high quality products. Okay, high quality products. You want your supplier to really vet and source good products for your customers. That's going to be very key, down the road for you. Okay. Think about seamless integration with major platforms also. You want seamless integration with major platforms such as Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, Wix. You want to have this setup, this integration, because you want your store to be scalable. Okay. Think about reliable supplier vetting and 24/7 support. This is something that CJ Dropshipping has to work on right now. They're not where that they're supposed to be yet. But hey, listen, they're probably working on it. Okay. So if you were to go for another supplier, just make sure that you have reliable supplier vetting and 24/7 customer support. So if something really happens, you are able to get help real fast, especially if you are selling multiple products and you need help all the time. Okay. Also, one thing I want to say is that when it comes to drop shipping in general, just make sure that you pay attention to branding a lot. You don't want your customers to know that you're actually doing drop shipping. Let me talk to you quickly about the pros and cons. So, what are the pros and cons of using CJ Dropshipping this year? I want to first talk about the pros, and then I'll speak about the cons, so that you can really choose in the end, basically, whether this is a great tool for you. Okay. So there are five reasons why a CJ dropshipping actually could be a great alternative for you. You have competitive pricing, you have faster shipping, there are no upfront fees, you have automated fulfillment, you have private labeling and branding. Okay, so basically, competitive pricing is really is something that is really important for all kinds of dropshippers. I don't care if you are a new dropshipper or you are an experienced dropshipper, you want to have competitive prices. So many products on CJ Dropshipping are actually priced lower than AliExpress, so that you can increase your profit margin while also offering competitive prices to customers. And this platform also provides bulk discounts and negotiable pricing for, let's say, if you are a high volume, or if you're a high volume order, like if you place high volume orders. Okay, so this is kind of cool, because if you're scaling your dropshipping business, you will love this feature that CJ Dropshipping has. You have faster shipping. I think I've said this before, that they have warehouses located in the US, the UK, Germany, and other regions. So that really helps them to get orders out faster. There are no, like CJ Dropshipping doesn't charge subscription fees or setup costs. So this is kind of cool, because it makes it an accessible platform, okay, for experienced dropshippers, but also new dropshippers. Okay, so you only pay, as a seller, you only pay for the products, shipping, and any additional branding or fulfillment services that you choose. One thing I want to say also is that I want to talk about the private labeling and branding. So unlike many dropshipping platforms, CJ Dropshipping actually offers a white labeling, custom packaging, and print-on-demand services. So as a store owner, you are able to build a strong, unique brand identity. Okay, so this feature is actually cool and really crucial for long-term business success, because it helps your business stand out in a very competitive market. So let me talk to you about the cons here. So I just share with you the pros, right? What are the cons of having CJ dropshipping? Well, the first thing is you have I think I've talked about the customer service before. So their customer service could be really improved. Right now, it's not where it should be at. That's number one. Number two, you have inconsistent processing times. Number three, you have limited product selection. And number four, you have a learning curve. So customer service, I've already said that they have to work on it. Okay, they're not customer service is not really reliable right now. You have inconsistent processing times. So while CJ Dropshipping generally offers a fast fulfillment, some orders may experience delays due to supplier stock levels or processing inefficiencies. So this inconsistency, when you think about it, can occasionally result in longer order fulfillment times, and this could affect actually customer experience. You also have limited product selection. Okay, so compared to AliExpress, for instance, CJ Dropshipping has a more curated but smaller product catalog because on AliExpress you have millions of product listings. So basically, CJ focuses on quality and reliability. Okay, but if you are a seller who sells multiple products, you may struggle to find certain niche products that are widely available on AliExpress. Also, there is a learning curve to really think about. So, CJ Dropshipping offers multiple features, including sourcing, branding, automation, and bulk ordering. And if you think about it, if you are a beginner dropshipper, this this offer can be overwhelming. Okay, so if you are a new user, please put some time in the process to learn how to navigate the platform, how to understand its pricing structure, and how to optimize your product sourcing strategy effectively. But overall, customers love the fact that CJ Dropshipping has a great shipping shipping locations, great order volume in terms of pricing, great product selection. Okay, so that's an important element. And one thing I want to say here is that people also love the fact that basically you are able to find products priced competitively. Okay, now some customers actually have complained about customer service, but also because they've had also complaints about processing times, especially during peak shopping seasons like Black Friday, but also the holiday rush. So around November and December, this is something that CJ Dropshipping has to really work on to bring his game, to bring their game up. So what's the decision here? If you think about CJ Dropshipping, is the CJ Dropshipping really worth it this year? This is an important element to think about. Well, it really depends. But overall, if you close your eyes and think about this question big time, I want you to remember that CJ Dropshipping remains actually a trusted and widely used platform among dropshippers looking for competitive pricing, faster shipping, and automation. Okay, but just remember that you have to manage expectations and plan accordingly, especially when sourcing products with fluctuating stock availability. Okay, I mean, testing products, maintaining clear communication with suppliers, and diversifying sourcing strategies can really help you as a seller maximize the benefits of CJ dropshipping while maybe mitigating potential challenges, especially if you are selling multiple products to multiple geographies. Okay, but so this is great to think about. So if you have a strong focus on U.S. or EU suppliers and branding options, there are a lot more. You have, like I said, Spockets. You have Ali Drop. Okay, you have you have Zen Drop. You have a lot of players out there. Okay, but overall, yes, CJ Dropshipping is a legit company. Okay, they offer a lot of stuff, and it's not free. It's not free to use. I mean, CJ Dropshipping doesn't charge subscription fees, but you have to pay for the products, shipping, and any additional services like branding or even print on demand in some cases. Okay, and one thing I also want to say here is that you have to understand that CJ Dropshipping they do have customer support. Okay, but it's just that I mean their customer support is the let's say it's not over the phone. They have live chat and they have ticket support, but the response times are really crappy. I mean, those response times can vary depending on the issue, but also the time zone. So, in conclusion to this conversation, I just talked to you about CJ dropshipping. I gave you the presentation, what's really good to know, and the pros and cons, and finally, the decision. Thank you so much. God bless you. I will see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.